Okay, so welcome back to my channel. I've not made a video in quite a while because, well, it's the holidays and I've been busy, but as well as being busy doing stuff off my computer, I've also been working with my friend on making the user interface for the game, at least the first stage of it, because usually you leave visual stuff till the end, but I thought it'd be nice to have at least something that looks half decent, because having just the white squares and everything is very confusing. And having no icons for spells is also confusing because they were all just the same on the bar at the bottom. So I'm going to show you what we've done. So as you can see, we've got the health and the mana orb, an XP bar, and the hotbar looks better now. We have, I'll show you the cool stuff last. So we have the panels now for the quest log, which I'll go and grab a quest. So well, here we go. We've used that background for here, and the vendor and inventory is like this. Obviously, we haven't got icons for that stuff yet, but that's fine. And over here, when you speak to Tiny Tim and you get your quests, we've got this. It still needs tweaking, but it looks a lot better anyway than it used to. And the main thing we've been working on, is the spellbook UI, which is definitely the best part. So if you can remember what it used to look like, this is quite a big improvement. So obviously it's still the same layout where you've got the tabs adding points into the tree. I've taken all the clutter off the top left because it's just so much nicer without that as well. It's all still somewhere, so the XP is here, the player's level is here, skill points are here, and gold is here. So it all works. So now the whole point is, as you put points into a tree, you go further down that tree and unlock the better spells. Now, we haven't got icons for all the spells yet, just some of them. And so, for example, when you start off, you can only preview the tier 1 spell. Fire Blast, yeah, whatever. Just put a point in, unlock it. And now you can preview the next spells. Now, we haven't made Dragon's Breath, but we've got the icon. We can preview Flamethrower. You can't get it, but you can preview it. And then by the time you put 5 points in, you've unlocked tier 2. And now you can unlock Flamethrower, and so on. So then we're going to have some way of showing how much each tier costs, but 10 for this, 20, and so on. And also down here at the bottom, as you can see, we've got the spell icons, which makes it so much easier to know which spell you're on. So you quickly want to go Fire Blast, and then obviously that's Fire Blast, and then get your Flamethrower out like that. So you can move these around and stuff. I still need to do some fixing with dragging around the hotbar, but in general it works. It's really weird that if you drag it fast, it sometimes works. Yeah, it's weird. Maybe it's only dragging to the right that seems to work. Yeah, I still need to fix that. But anyway, water, unlock. So we've got like Ice Blast and Jet Stream, which Jet Stream is still not visible, but it works with the whole like pushing enemies away. I don't think I actually had Jetstream in the last video, but yeah, that's what I've made now. So you hold down, it's like a hose, and it pushes back. Now it can't push back, seemingly, when there's an enemy behind. I guess that makes sense, because it would be blocking it. So we've got thorns here, so that when I get hit, they take damage. What else have we got? As you can see, the mana globe is regenning. Now, I will make it look a bit nicer in the end, but it's good for now. Let's go Gust and Rising Winds. Don't have icons for these yet, but, you know. Oh, I misclicked. Oh well. I've just noticed the colour for the XP is wrong. Oh no, wait. It's just moved down a little bit. I must have knocked that, but yeah, I'll put that back. Okay, missiles, teleport. Okay, missiles. And then teleport. Guidance and spotlight. Now we have to make space for the rest now. So we've got guidance and then spotlight. Obviously, if I right click, it does a heal. So heal. And finally, dark. I've got these two. Oh, I've run out of power. Great, I've put all my points in. Actually, I'll just die, because then I can see the it should reset everything. I want to make sure actually that it does reset everything. 0, 0, 0 points are back. All these are locked again. So in dark, I've got corruption and void reach. So obviously corruption applies a dot wherever when I get close enough, and then void reach is the teleport, kind of like an ender pearl thing, sort of. Anyway, so that's all of the spell stuff, and it's so much nicer now. So like you can sort of see 2 tiers ahead of what you're at. You can sort of see the icons, but as you unlock, it's easier to see those icons. So we don't necessarily, like, if you're playing and you haven't looked anything up online, you'll only know the spells you've unlocked, and the whole point is you see what spell icons look interesting, and that might make you want to go down the tree. And rather than just being able to instantly look at what the end tier spells are, because that might ruin it a bit, I think it's quite nice seeing, oh, that spell looks interesting, let's unlock it and see what it is. That kind of idea. But yeah, it all works, and I'm really liking it. Stefan has done a good job, and it all looks really nice. There's only a little bit of tweaking we have to do with the wait, one sec, sorry. Oh, I've just noticed a bug actually. That's nice. When I die, quests don't get reset, but I can do that. So that's one thing to do. But yeah, I hope you all like the UI. If there's any suggestions for improvements on the UI, feel free. Obviously, don't comment about these because they're going to change when we've made the icons. But everything we've done so far, I think, is going well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and goodbye.